Alrighty, so when it comes to these types of problems, the state of Texas expects you all to be able to use informal arguments to establish facts about the angle sum and the exterior angle of triangles, the angles created when parallel lines are cut by a transversal, and the angle-angle criterion for similarity of triangles. Alright, so in this example here, they're saying that in each diagram, or here in this diagram I say, line K, which is this line right here, is parallel to line M, which is that one right there, ladies and gentlemen. And they're also telling us that line T intersects lines K and M. So this is kind of what we were working on before we left, before we had our short break. All right. So there's several ways that this could be tested. If we were just to focus just on this top part here, let's say for example, and break it apart like this. If this is 74 degrees, you all were doing a good job, and you all know that this is a straight angle. Well, let me do it straighter. A straight angle which measures 180 degrees. And, well, what measures 180 degrees? Well, we know at this angle plus this angle, which we can use or label as x, that they both sum up to 180 degrees. So to solve for that, we know that x plus 74 degrees is equal to 180. Now you subtract 74 from both sides, and we establish that that missing angle measures 106 degrees. So we know that's 106 degrees. But there's other properties or attributes that we also need to know as well. If this is 74 degrees, that means that this is also 74 degrees because those angles are congruent. They're vertical angles. And one of the properties of vertical angles is that they are congruent. If that's 106, then this one is also 106 degrees. But there's still a little more that we can determine as well. But another thing that we know is that, well, before we move on, remember guys, this is the interior, and these two are the exteriors. I'm just going to abbreviate with EXT. So the exteriors. One of the properties that we had discussed is that alternate exterior angles are congruent. What I mean, if this angle right here is 74, that means that this angle here is also 74. If this angle here is 106, then that angle is also 106, which means that that one's also 106 and that one's also 74 degrees. So we can say that the value of x is equal to 74 degrees.